Have you ever heard that the brilliant scientist Nikola Tesla, the man who invented electricity and altered the course of history, used identity-shifting techniques to reinvent his identity and realize his full potential? Get ready for an extraordinary journey, where you will learn the exact same strategies that not only changed Tesla's life, but also have the power to transform your life completely and forever. Nikola Tesla was born in Smiljan, Croatia in 1856 and experienced hardships and financial difficulty in his early years. However, the tragic passing of his brother, Dane, served as a turning point in Tesla's pursuit of excellence. He made the decision to carry on his brother's legacy by improving himself throughout his life. Tesla traveled to the United States in search of knowledge, where he underwent a significant identity change. During his brief collaboration with Thomas Edison, he experienced rejection of his creative ideas and dismissal. Instead of giving in to defeat, Tesla adopted a new persona as a visionary inventor committed to changing the world. This transition marked the beginning of Tesla's incredible journey. From that point on, he kept developing his identity by relentlessly seeking out innovation and embracing the belief that he was destined for greatness. His groundbreaking innovations, such as the Tesla coil and alternating current, were the results of this change in identity. In this video, we'll look into the same ideas and methods Tesla used for identity shifting. We will explore the scientific foundations of this concept, as well as the ways in which it could be implemented in the real world. Prepare to unlock your potential as we travel through the realm of identity shifting, which contains the key to rewriting your life's narrative. The science behind identity shifting. In order for us to have a complete understanding of the idea of identity shifting, we need to investigate the scientific principles that serve as its basis. Nikola Tesla's life serves as a compelling illustration of how influential our self-image and identity can be. However, what scientific principles lie beneath this and make it a reality? Identity shifting is based on the notion that our inner world, which includes our beliefs, feelings, and thoughts, is connected to our physical selves and can influence how we live. Pioneering research in fields such as neuroscience, quantum mechanics, and epigenetics has provided us with insights into how the process of identity shifting could rewrite our personal narratives. Neuroplasticity, the adaptability of the brain. The remarkable adaptability of the human brain is an essential component in the process of identity change. Neuroplasticity refers to the brain's natural ability to change and adapt its neural networks throughout our lives. Let's examine those who have overcome their deepest fears. These people change the brain connections underlying the fear response when they face their phobias head on and adjust their views and beliefs about them. In the same way, you have the ability to alter the structure of your brain so that it more closely resembles the identity you desire. The secret is to consistently reinforce your beliefs and to live out the traits and convictions associated with the identity you imagine, strengthening the neural circuits that support it. The quantum realm, the intersection of belief and the physical world. The fascinating idea that our beliefs and perspectives can actively shape our physical reality is presented by the mystifying field of quantum physics. Particles on a quantum scale can exist in several states simultaneously up until an observation is made. This suggests that the shaping of our experiences is significantly influenced by the beliefs, thoughts, and intentions we have. Tesla, a visionary who was decades ahead of his time, understood the value of gaining access to this quantum level. He wisely observed, "If you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration." By constantly evolving his identity and having unwavering faith in his original ideas, Tesla was able to enter the quantum realm and create innovations that completely changed the course of human history. Epigenetics, rising above your genetic blueprint. When we explore the topic of epigenetics, we discover how outside factors, including our thoughts and emotions, have the ability to control gene function. Even if your DNA may predispose you to certain qualities, how those traits are expressed ultimately depends on how your genes are turned on. Your own beliefs and life experiences can influence its activation. Simply said, your destiny is not determined by your DNA. Which genes are activated or suppressed can be controlled by your identity, which is shaped by your ideas, and how you view yourself. You have the power to impact your genetic activity in a way that improves your health, increases your resilience, and enhances your sense of well-being. This is accomplished by changing your identity to reflect the life you want to live. Practical steps to identity shifting. Understanding the science behind identity shifting is just the first step. You must set out on a path of practical application if you want to fully realize its revolutionary power. The following are some concrete steps to start your identity shift. 1. Self-reflection and awareness. First, get to know your existing identity thoroughly to start. What are your fundamental thoughts, self-perceptions, and beliefs? Determine which aspects of your identity no longer support your objectives or desires. 2. Establish your ideal identity. Define the identity you want to assume. What characteristics, attitudes, and actions define this ideal self? As a clear and succinct identity statement, write them down. 3. Positive affirmations and imagery. Create affirmations that support the identity you want. To support your new convictions, speak in the present tense and positively. Imagine yourself every day living as this new you. Take on the feelings that go with this persona. 4. Regular practice. To rewire your brain and solidify your new identity, consistency is essential. Every day, work on your affirmations and visualization techniques. The neurological circuits supporting your desired identity become stronger with repetition. 5. Surround yourself with support. Look for others that have similar goals to you for support. Their support and upbeat vibes can help your identity transition. 6. View obstacles as opportunities. Opportunities for advancement arise from challenges. Consider adversity as an opportunity to become your chosen self when it arises. Take on challenges with the idea that they are building blocks for your growth. 7. Track your development. Keep an eye on your development and recognize all of your accomplishments. If necessary, change your identity statement and procedures to reflect your changing needs. 8. Be consistent and patient. Identity change is a process, not a finish line. Maintain your patience with yourself and don't give up. Keep in mind that true change takes effort and patience. Remember Nikola Tesla's legacy as you set off on this life-changing expedition. You have the ability to rewrite the story of your life, just as he used identity shifting to transform the world. You can set out on a journey of self-discovery and actualization that will forever alter your destiny by fusing the knowledge of the past with the science of the present. Accept the power of identity shifting and then observe as your ideal reality comes to pass. Integrating identity shift into daily life. It's time to go into the practical aspects of incorporating this transforming process into your daily life after exploring the significant influence of identity shifting from historical viewpoints like Nikola Tesla's life and via modern scientific findings. Consistency and thoughtful implementation are essential for any lasting change. 1. Identity-affirming morning rituals. Set goals for the day at the beginning of the day. Create a morning routine that includes practices that support your identity. This could involve meditation, journaling, or visualization exercises. These routines help you establish your chosen identity from the time you get up and reinforce it throughout the day. 2. Mindful speech and inner dialogue. Pay attention to the words you choose when speaking to others, as well as when having inner dialogue. Get rid of self-limiting words and thoughts. Replace them with affirmations that support the identity you want to present. For example, instead of saying, "I can't do this," say, "I am learning and growing." 3. View obstacles as opportunities. Challenges are not roadblocks to your progress. Rather, they are stepping stones. With a growth mindset, accept them. Whenever you get presented with a challenge, ask yourself, how can I use this challenge to become more aligned with my desired identity? Adversity becomes a chance for growth when one's perspective is changed in this way. 4. Visualization and affirmations. Continue to use affirmations and visualization to your advantage. Regularly picture yourself going about your daily life as your new persona. Use affirmations to support your new convictions. The neurological networks supporting your desired identity become stronger with repetition. 5. Self-compassion and forgiveness. Be kind to yourself throughout this journey. Changing your identity may require you to unearth long-held beliefs or experiences from your past that are no longer beneficial to you. Practice forgiveness and self-compassion. Recognize that accepting flaws and letting go of self-criticism are necessary for growth. 6. Surround yourself with supportive communities. Look for groups and people who share your desired identity. Finding others who share your beliefs gives you confidence and validation. Share your journey with those who uplift and inspire you. The quantum leap accelerating identity shift. Now we explore advanced techniques and concepts to accelerate your identity shift. Although it may take time and effort, these methods will help you transform more quickly. 1. Quantum entanglement and connectivity. Entanglement is a concept from quantum physics where particles become interconnected and can influence each other's states no matter how far away they are. Use this concept to your identity transition. Develop a strong sense of connection with your desired identity and train yourself to believe that it is already intertwined with who you are right now. This way of thinking accelerates the merging of the two identities. 2. Energetic resonance. Recognize that your desired identity vibrates at a specific vibrational frequency. To accelerate your shift, tune into this frequency energetically. You can tune into the energy of your transformed self by using mindfulness skills, energy healing techniques, and meditation. 3. Quantum visualization. Take your visualization practices to the quantum level. Imagine that you are in multiple realities simultaneously, where your desired identity is already your reality. This broad visualization not only reinforces your beliefs, but also places you in alignment with the possibilities for numerous outcomes in the quantum world. 4. A change in timeline. Quantum physics suggests the existence of multiple timelines. Although the concept of shifting timelines may seem abstract, it is related to identity shifting. Imagine yourself in an alternate timeline where your desired identity is your present reality. This quantum perspective can accelerate your identity shift by making it feel more immediate and achievable. 5. The power of synchronicities. Be mindful of synchronicities, which constitute important coincidences that seem tooling with your journey. These experiences frequently indicate that you are moving in the right direction toward the identity you want. Embrace them as affirmations of your transformation. 6. Quantum healing. Coherence healing is one example of a quantum healing technique that draws on the quantum field's capacity for fundamental change. Examine quantum-level energy healing treatments to resolve any leftover emotional or energetic blockages preventing your identity shift. Use these cutting-edge methods as you see fit to aid in your identity-shifting quest. Keep in mind that accelerating the process does not lessen its importance. Rather, it enables you to experience your preferred world sooner. Maintain your commitment, accept your changing identity, and keep exploring the limitless opportunities presented by your transition. Your identity is a blank canvas waiting for your artistic expression. It is not fixed. You take control of the story of your life when you alter your perspective of yourself and bring it into alignment with your intended reality. The symphony of vibration and quantum potential is at your fingertips. If you enjoyed watching this video, please share with us what is the most important lesson you learned and how will you use it in your daily life. Your comments are not only a testament to your personal growth, but also an opportunity to inspire others on their journeys. Please share this video with friends and family if you think it could be useful to them. Last but not least, if you haven't already, I invite you to subscribe to our channel. By becoming a part of our vibrant community, you'll stay updated about latest videos and insights across a spectrum of transformative topics. Thank you for being a cherished member of this journey, and may your path be illuminated by the boundless possibilities that identity shifting offers. Together, we continue to expand our horizons and explore the limitless depths of human potential.